How fireworks light up the sky. Why do 100% of fireworks dazzle and delight us? Let's discover the magic behind them. Fireworks are like magic spells in the sky. Inside each firework, there's a little mix of chemicals called gunpowder. When you light the firework, the gunpowder makes it shoot up high. But wait, there's more. Those bright colors? They come from different metals. For red, we use strontium. For blue, it's copper. And for green, we use barium. When the firework explodes, these metals burn and create those amazing colors. It's like a rainbow made from science. And those loud booms? That's just the sound of the gunpowder exploding. Pretty cool, right? So next time you see fireworks, you'll know there's a whole lot of science and fun packed inside. Remember, always watch fireworks with an adult and stay safe. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the magic of science.